And we're back. Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got another little radio from Jeff's collection. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios to show to you. This is a little Zenith AM radio. It's about a 1967 vintage. It's a model R13F. He has, this radio has 8 transistors, and Jeff says the reception is pretty good. He paid $40 from the Radio Attic. It didn't work when he got it, so he got a full refund, and he was able to keep it, and he got it repaired, and now it works. So we're going to show it to you right now and move this character out of the way here. Show you a little close up there. There's the tuning dial right here. There's a tuning knob, on-off volume, and somewhere here is the earbud jack. Uses a 9-volt battery, and we'll see if we'll get it to come on. AM only. Gonna get a lot of noise in my office here. Let's see, let me turn it down and then move it to one end of the band. Okay, now we'll turn it back up.
The text is trying to make. Here's an analogy as well. He just had his 16th belt. He got his
Streaming edition.
Vision loss. Made me want it.
Yeah, it's very susceptible to all the noise
And they were with
in my office.
That did no financial planning. They didn't have any taxes.
Nice and loud.
Timestamp, but aren't ruling out potential
There we
changes
go.
in the future. For the Retirement.Radio Network, powered by AmeriLife, I'm Jim Terravocchia.
Put a lot of numbers in a game.
Picking up a lot of stations.
So since June 1st has been in a phenomenal.
Kind of an odd color. Kind of greenish. Yep. There's music. You get away from that.
East and the second best record in the game. That's next. This is Major League Baseball on ESPN Radio, the ESPN.
Well, Agnew in Washington.
Boy, it did pretty darn good for this noisy environment I've got in my office with all these electronics on. Pretty neat little radio. It looks in pristine condition. I don't even see any scratches on it. Some rub marks right here on the silver. That's about it. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.